Okay guys, so this is the part where we smush it. And if you haven't seen part 1, go check that out before you see part 2. But anyways, let's squish it. And oh, I am obsessed with the smell still. Okay, here we go. Okay, that was amazing. Now, let's mix it all together and let's see if I love this consistency. And I think, oh, I'll grab that bead. And let's see if the color is definitely getting lighter, which I do love. And oh, I can't get over the smell. It smells so good. And when you're mixing clay slime, you want to keep mixing and not see any of these white lines. You want it to be one full color. Oh, these beads keep falling out. And you want it to be one full color. And yeah, so I love this slime. And it's just, everything about it's really good. And I love the texture, and it's a butter slime, so it doesn't have the best pokes, but it's so creamy. So this is the slime. I hope you guys enjoyed just this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because there'll be more videos coming out. And if your slime's ever sticky, you want to use the sticky pen. And like it says, you only want to do one spray at a time, because remember, this stuff is strong. So I might have more Peachy Baby videos, maybe. But don't forget to like and subscribe.